Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to access plugins in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started accessing all the plugins we have in GarageBand. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up this audio recorder option right here. That's going to open up this recording menu, where at the top of the screen we have this big red circle that's going to start out the recording process and so on. What we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner. In the upper left corner, click on this button in the middle. This is the edit mode button. That's going to open up this mixing section where we can find all the tracks we have. As you can see, I have my keyboard track right here, my drums, audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with taking a look at our plugins. All we have to do is just go right here at the top of the screen. Next to the FX option, we have the sliders option that's going to open up this track settings. Once you scroll down, you'll find an option that says plugins and equalizer. So once you tap on plugins and equalizer, guys, here you can find all the plugins that you have, such as noise gate, compressor, and so on. You can click on edit mode to take a look at all the plugins that you have and that you can use right here, and this is how to access them. So basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.